Hey everyone, Sam Battersby from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about Best to Show Wash and Wax. Our Best to Show line of products are intended to provide the absolute best color depth and clarity possible. Best to Show Wash and Wax does just that, and it does it as you're washing your car. It's formulated to create long-lasting suds for a safe and efficient wash, and has advanced carnauba and polymer protection that fortifies your wax base coat without adding extra steps to the process. To mix Best to Show Wash and Wax, simply use a 1 ounce of soap to 1 gallon of water dilution ratio in your wash bucket. After pre-rinsing the vehicle, use normal wash methods, washing from the top down and rinsing your emitter pad frequently to avoid scratching. Follow up with a thorough rinse and dry. Best to Show Wash and Wax is great for daily drivers because it not only cleans your vehicle, but enhances its finish by adding life to your wax base coat every time you wash your car. Thank you for watching. For more information on Best to Show Wash and Wax, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.